Craving something rich, creamy, and loaded with Oreo goodness, but don't feel like baking a whole cheesecake? This Oreo Cheesecake Mug Cake is soft, decadent, and ready in just about a minute. Perfect for when that sweet craving hits and you want something bakery style without the effort. The best part? You only need a mug, a spoon, and your microwave. It's cookies and cream cheesecake magic made right in your favorite cup. Let's get started. In a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of softened cream cheese, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth and creamy with no lumps. This will be our rich cheesecake swirl. Set this aside. Now grab a microwave-safe mug, add 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. This creates the soft cake base. Next, stir in 1½ tablespoons of sugar for sweetness, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder so the cake rises nicely, and a small pinch of salt to balance the flavors. Give the dry ingredients a quick mix so everything is evenly combined. Pour in 3 tablespoons of milk for moisture, 1 tablespoon of melted butter for richness, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that classic cookies and cream flavor. Now crush 2 Oreo cookies and fold them into the batter. Stir until smooth and lump-free, scraping the sides and bottom of the mug to make sure everything is fully mixed. You'll start to see those beautiful chocolate cookie bits throughout. Spoon about 1/2 teaspoon of the prepared cheesecake mixture into the center of the batter and gently swirl it. Pop the mug into the microwave and cook for about 70 seconds on medium-high power. Watch as it rises into a soft, fluffy cake. The top should look set, but the center should still feel slightly soft. Let it cool for about 2 minutes. This helps the texture settle and makes every bite perfectly creamy. Add remaining cheesecake mixture on top for that creamy layer. Finish with a light dusting of cocoa powder on top for that bakery-style look. And there you have it, a warm, rich Oreo cheesecake mug cake with soft chocolate cookie bites and a creamy cheesecake swirl in every spoonful. The ultimate quick dessert when you need something indulgent, fast, and absolutely satisfying. And hey, if you love quick, single-serve desserts like this, grab my free mug cake ebook linked in the bio for even more easy recipes you can make in minutes.